Welcome back programmers. In the today's section I'm gonna show you how you can do this. In here you can see I got 4 input. The first one is title, second one is image link, the third one is course description, and the fourth one is important, select category. So what if I want to do like this? When I click on the coding, it must show me the all of the category related coding. So how I can do this? Let's try. You can see when I just click on the create course, I just got another drop down named select topic. Now because I clicked on the coding, that's why I got these topics: Python, Java, C, C++, Android, and so on. So if I click on the music, I must show all of the song related topics and so on. So books related and entertainment related and tech related. So how you can do this? So this is the simple. In the create course function, first I am checking if request.method equal to post. Yes, if the post, then I am grabbing all of the data. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now let's see in here. I am checking if and else condition. If course topic, it means if course topic is available, which is this. First time this is not gonna available. Let's try. You can see first time we only got course category. So that's why first it's gonna see course topic is not available. So that's why it is gonna come in here. And then I am creating the context equal to all of the topics equal to Python, Java, C, C++, Android, and so on. So, and then this is important, I am returning course title, course image link, course description, and all of the necessary stuff which I grab from here. Now if I didn't do this, when I click on the create course, it is not gonna show all of this stuff, it is gonna be blank. But because I send this data, so I can see all of this stuff. And I use the value equal to course title, value equal to course image link, and so on. So now this time we got course topic. So the first condition is gonna be true. If course topic, yes, course topic is available. So save data. Now I know you are thinking this is just for coding. So what you can do, you can use the elif condition. Elif course topic equal to coding or music or entertainment. So do all of this stuff. So let's try. In here you can see I just wrote elif course topic equal to music. So topics equal to dancing, piano, guitar, drums, keyboard, and so on. So you can choose any category you want. So when I click on the music category and create course, you can see I got all of these topics: dancing, piano, guitar, drums, keyboard, and so on. So that's how you can change all of the data as per your conditions. So that is it for today's, guys. If you like my video, just like my video, share this video with other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.